We'd like to introduce our new RGBW modules. These low-profile module light units consume only 0.96 watts per module and have a beam angle of 140 degrees. RGB modules are ideal for backlighting or side lighting and can also be used for under cabinets, toe kicks and cove lighting. There are 2 modules per linear foot and come in a strip of 20 modules, which would cover 10 linear foot. RGB module strips can be joined together to achieve longer runs, which would be determined by the 12-volt DC driver capacity. With the ability of mixing RGBW, one can achieve any color combination required. Using our 4-button RGBW manual controller, one can set the required combination accurately. You can turn up the white color, then you can adjust the blue color, then you can adjust the green color, and finally red. By mixing 2 of the combinations, you will achieve a different color spectrum, anything that you would like to select. Each module comes complete with a double-side tape for easy installation. Just peel and stick. For more information on this exciting new product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, step1designs.com.